New dawn, new day. Every day the same question. How long? Well, how to start? Every morning I wake up and go to my station. Well, not mine. And not what a musician dreams. But I don't follow idols. I just do what I want. It feels good making people have a better day. Thought that they usually don't see me. It doesn't matter as much. But it's always the same. Same faces, same noise. Just my euphonic guitar whispers over the city rampage. Routine makes the adventure for me. New people, kids going to school, homeless people looking for their last drink, luxury, poverty. And that question strikes again in the back of my mind. Change. Go on. Days are gone, and routine brings me back to my corner. New dawn. New day. Every day the same question. How long? Doesn't matter what I tell you. It's just my choice. And just me. None of a crazy musician.